What's up guys, today's video is on the best hard floor cleaner. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Dyson Omni Glide Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Omni Glide is a sleek and cordless model, which is appropriately named because it really glides across surfaces. Specially designed for hard floors with soft dual rollers and the jointed neck, provide easy movement within and around your home. Additionally, its lightweight design makes it a breeze to operate. The model can also be converted to an portable vacuum, which is an extremely useful feature. When it comes to Dyson vacuums, it's unusual to see a trigger-style power button that has to be pressed down when your vacuum is in use. However, that's not the case for the OmniGlide. It can be turned on and it will stay in operation. While there's a lot to like about, but we'd be remiss if we didn't also mention that the smaller dust container was a little sloppy at times. In one test of cleaning, we were able to fill it up within 30 minutes. In their design, these vacuums rechargeable are accurate for short bursts of cleaning and spot cleaning. You won't get your entire home or house cleaned in a single swoop. Number 2. Shark WS642 AE1 Vac System. It's no surprise that the stylish and elegant Shark 1 Vac cordless vacuum that self-empty is among our top-rated Shark vacuums. It accomplishes what only most vacuums cannot allow you to take weeks at a stretch without having clean out the dirt or dust that it gathers. How is this achievement possible? The charging base is equipped with an automatic emptying system. When it's finished, the vacuum basically clears its dust bin to the base and is only required to be empty at least every 30 days. As contrast to conventional dust bins, which typically require emptying after a few uses. We are in love with this feature, both in theory and use. It was effortless and effective in our tests, and it reduces the stress of vacuuming regularly. Number 3. Hoover Complete Performance Vacuum. In the laboratory, the Hoover Total Performance Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner performed excellent on hard floors. It was also effective on furniture and carpet as well, picking up dust and hair in 2 passes per. The vacuum comes with an 15-inch cleaning path as well as an extension cord of 25 feet, which means you'll be able to vacuum entire rooms without having to switch outlet, and that's a great feature according to our review. Additionally, it's bagged model versus a bagless one that we believe is an advantage for those suffering from allergies who don't want to be exposed to the substances they've just suctioned up. If you're not keen on the idea of buying bags, it might not be the perfect option suitable for you. While this vacuum is powerful and durable, however, it has an ungainly design that requires extra effort when climbing the stairs. To help, you can disconnect the hose and then use one of the 3 attachments to access stairs. Number 4. Shark Vacma Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. If you want to efficiently mop and vacuum floors, use this Shark Vacma. This stick vacuum that is wet dry, one of our most popular and affordable vacuum cleaners, can disperse cleaning fluid at the touch of a button. It then goes about mopping up the floor and vacuuming debris simultaneously using the mop pad that is disposable. We discovered that the vacuum suction was able to capture hair and particles in fewer than 3 passes. This made it quick and easy to get rid of the mess we caused. Instead of being stuck to the mop pad that is replaceable, the dirt is tucked in the dirt chamber. The removal of the dirt laden pad and all its waste is as simple as pressing a release lever on the floor's head, which we like. We'd like to see the dirt chamber was bigger, which would allow you to get the most mileage from every mopping pad. But take into account the fact that this vacuum is simple to put together, quiet and easy to move around. It's an excellent feature. Number 5. Tenneco Floor 1S3. We tried our Tenneco Floor 1S3 cordless floor cleaner to the test and discovered that it delivers an efficient and intuitive cleaning of hard floors with a user-friendly AI that can enhance the quality of your experience. A sensor determines how filthy your floors are and then automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow to ensure the best cleaning. You'll know what's happening through the benefit of the LCD display located on one of the sides. In our lab, it glided effortlessly over hardwood flooring and sucked all the dirt we assigned it to. Though there was a leak of a bit of dirt, it was a 5-star clean for as long as you use it only on hardwood floors, since this product is not recommended for carpets or carpets. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.